Where does pepper come from? It originated in Sri Lanka and India, and it was noted for two reasons. It was used in the pre-refrigeration era, which was very handy when they did not have refrigeration, and it also has been valued because of the long distance it's traveled from Europe just to get to where it needed to go. The pepper plant, or Piper nigrum, comes from the Malabar area on the coast of South India in the modern state of Kerala. Locals have used a spiced-up food for thousands of years, and they've exported pepper since 4th century BC. Today, India and Indonesia are the world's pepper powerhouses. Black from the still green, unripe berries of the pepper plant. The berries are cooked briefly in hot water, both to clean them and to prepare them for drying. There are as many varieties of pepper mills as there are peppercorns on the market, and you truly have not experienced pepper if you have not eaten it freshly ground. I'm Jan from Kitchen Kitchen.